त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्।
Hello everybody, we are back with part 2 of our मृत्युंजय एपिसोड और अनीता चंदवानी जी मेरे साथ वापस है। पर आज हमारे साथ एक और इंटरेस्टिंग गेस्ट है जिसका नाम है शर्मिला राव। शर्मिला, वेलकम माय डियर।
Hello, ma'am. Hi, Anita.
Hi.
So nice to be on the episode, ma'am.
Yes, and I'm so excited today because I have two wonderful people to interview now. My dear Sharmila is an engineer, and apparently you have been born to bankers, is what you have written, and
Yes.
you've worked only in IT companies, but then you gave everything up.
Yes.
So
I am doing a part-time role now, but that's just a 3-hour work just to keep me occupied and to keep me going.
Wow.
But no more in a full-time job.
Wow. So we'll of course speak more about that later, about your
Okay.
journey and stuff like that. But I'm interested कि अनीता ने तुम्हें कांटेक्ट किया कि तुमने अनीता को कांटेक्ट किया?
Okay. Okay, that's very interesting, ma'am. So I have to give a little background before I answer your question.
Please.
On your episode, there was, I think there was an episode that you did with Nishan, who's an automatic writer. So my journey actually began with that. So
Okay.
when I watched that episode, I was completely drawn to the idea of channeling. Not that I was not aware of it before, but for the first time, I was very comfortable, doing it the way Nishan explained how he goes about it. So all the while I kept thinking we'll be disturbing spirits, we should not be calling those souls and bothering them. So that was my understanding. So he cleared all those questions in that episode. I thought, now I think I need to get in touch because my parents had not really healed. My sister passed in 1993, many years ago. We were just 1 year apart. I've kind of healed because I got into the right path and I got a lot of strength along the way to heal. But my parents know, and I have a younger sister also. So she lives in Dubai. She also had not healed. Why I'm saying they've not healed is we would never include my sister's name in our conversations. The minute I bring up my sister's name, my parents would just shut off, or change the topic. So I knew they have not healed. In fact, they moved cities. They've done everything they can to experience a change, which they did. But at the level that they should heal, no. So it was not at the depth. So I thought, okay, I think this is a great opportunity. I felt like it was my calling because I could connect with Nishan and the whole, technique and everything. So I thought, let me reach out. And that's when I reached out to you and got his number.
Yeah.
And he was sweet enough. he said, let's do something. Let's do something about this. Don't worry, I'm here.
Hmm.
And then the way he goes about it is he seeks an appointment, he connects with his master, seeks an appointment. And then there's Shalini, my sister, Shalini's master also. So he goes about it that way. So I got an appointment actually 10 or 15 days hence. It was not
Okay.
immediate. So he says, that's how it is. When they're ready, they come. We can't, just call them and
Force
we want to
them.
hear from them.
Ah.
So that was awesome. I mean, for me, everything was new. I was
Ah.
like, wow, I'm willing to wait. And then given the COVID situation and everything, we decided to do it on Zoom. But Nishant said, you're most welcome to come home, but I'm okay. I leave it to you.
Right.
And he lives really far away. He lives in South Bombay, and I'm here. So I decided I'm just doing the Zoom call. And the night before the session, my daughter suddenly asked me at 11 or something. So, mom, when are you going to see Nishant? I said, no, I'm not going to see him. I'm doing Zoom. She said, how can you do that? It's such an important thing. You've been waiting to do this, and are you going to do Zoom? How will you feel the energy? You know, I thought, okay, there's some message coming from the other dimension. I can't ignore this. And so I contacted Nishant. It was late in the night, but I took the liberty of bothering him to say, I'm coming home, Nishant. I'm coming to see you. So he was absolutely fine. He was very sweet. So then I met him and I got a lot of answers. I don't want to go into the depth of Nishant's because this is about Anita. I'll focus more on that. But I got all my answers. In fact, I got all the answers. There were specific messages from my mom, my dad, my younger sister, etc. So there were enough evidences to kind of, feel my sister's energy actually. I was so overwhelmed, ma'am. I just broke down, and I don't break down so easily. I was crying through the session, and Nishant kept asking, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" I said, "I'm absolutely fine. I'm just overwhelmed. I don't know how to react." And it was the first time I was connecting with her after 25 years. So it was beautiful.
25 years.
Years, not even 25, 28 to be precise.
28 years of grief.
Yes. So the healing immediately started for my parents. So I just give an example of what happened after that. I was not aware. My mom had packed up my sister's things in a case and put it away somewhere, all the memories, even pictures. I have another sister, right? So the pictures of 3 of us everywhere, and they didn't want to see, her anywhere in the album. So they've actually pulled out all her pictures and put them away. And it was lying in a case all these years. My mom has not once opened it. And my sister appeared in her dream 2 days after this. And it was a flooded house and there was nothing in the house, just this suitcase, and she kept pointing that out to my mom. My mom was like, wow, she didn't even remember there was something like that case that existed. And she said, I have to open that. And I have to come to terms with it now. I think I'm ready. So that was when the healing actually began, and it was beautiful. And there were similar things that happened with my dad, my sister, me. Of course, for me, it was just the spiritual journey she was trying to guide me to. There were no specific message for me. She just said meditate. And then there were 2 masters who connected. One was Shirdi Baba and one was Osho. I'm saying it so easily. It's really overwhelming that, I could connect with these energies. So all of them had messages. All of them. And all 3 told me start meditation. I can't tell you, ma'am, how much I hate meditation. I've done it all my life. I've attempted so many times. But if all are telling me now, there's no escape, right? And that's when Vipassana happened. That's a different story altogether.
Yeah, of course we talk about that. Yeah,
very clearly my calling. So I thought, and all of them suddenly around me started talking about Vipassana. And even your episode, you won't believe I saw after. Your episode where you mentioned that your dad sent you to Vipassana at the age of 18. I happened to see that episode after the session.
Okay.
So it was all,
Signals. Signals were coming to you. All signals were coming to you.
And there were more than, I think there were another 10, 15 signals. I don't want to get into that. So there were enough signals saying COVID, no COVID, just go. Because there were a lot of breaks. My family was like, don't go at this time. My daughter is young. Nothing doing. I just went. And then, so all my questions were answered. So there was no reason to meet Anita, right? So everything was fine. Everything was fine. And actually Nishant drew a few things. In between his writings, there are some sketches, just random sketches that he makes. And then he said, probably this means something, Sharmila, but I don't know what this means. This looks like Kundalini. Okay, it was like the shape of a snake. So I left it there, but on the group, ma'am, if you remember, a lot of people started putting those symbols and signs on the group.
Yes.
Asking those experts, do you know what this means?
I thought,
okay, why not? I'll also try my luck, So I put up that image which Nishan sent me,
Huh.
and immediately I got a call from Anita. And then you
Huh.
won't believe what happened 2 days later. So we decided not to meet up, right? 2 days
Right.
later, she just calls me and then she says, Sharmila, chalo Zoom pe session karte hain. I said,
Huh.
kaun sa session? He said,
Huh.
let's do it, you know. Don't worry, we can do it on Zoom also. So what if my building is sealed? I said, fine, but I didn't want to do any particular session with you because I have my answers. No, 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 no. You need to talk to your sister. Then she said, now I realize I called. I didn't even know why I called you.
Huh.
And I feel complete goosebumps. And then I feel a lot of energy. I feel your sister's trying to reach you and there's some message for you.
Huh.
I mean, that was my, that was so overwhelming. And even she didn't know why she called me. It was like something forcing her to call, you know.
Correct.
And that's how we connected again. But we were not going to meet until the COVID situation was over.
Correct.
And so that's, to answer your first question, that's how Anita and I connected.
Wow. So, I mean, the next question obviously is to Anita. Anita, how did the message start coming to you? कैसे मैसेज आना शुरू हुआ?
एक्चुअली मुझे भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग आ रही थी कि शर्मिला कुछ जानना चाहती है अपनी सिस्टर के बारे में, लेकिन उसने कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं बताए थे. हमारी जब बात हुई ना तो उसने कुछ भी क्वेश्चन नहीं बताया, पर मुझे अंदर से फीलिंग आ रही थी कि उसको कुछ तो जानना है. बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग आ रही थी कि उसकी सिस्टर कनेक्ट होना चाह रही है. फिर हम लोगों ने इसने पूछा कैसे हम लोग सेशन करेंगे, तो मैंने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया उसको. तो उसके बाद अचानक से मैं बैठी ऑटो राइटिंग करने और चैनलिंग मैसेज आने लगा. उसकी सिस्टर कनेक्ट हुई और मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया मैसेज और शर्मिला को सेंड कर दिया वो मैसेज.
Ma'am, so casually she just sent a message.
Wow, audio. Actually, audio message तुझे मिला.
Yes,
शर्मिला को. So what was there in that message which kind of shook you a little further?
The first thing, man, what it shook me is, yes, I told her I have no questions. Whatever my sister is trying to connect with you about, I'll just hear it out. And actually, I had a question in my mind. The mind had this question that, okay, I'm back from Vipassana, right? You drove me to do that meditation and retreat. Fine, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. What next? I had the question in my mind because I picked up the technique so fast, so I knew there is something she wants me to do about it. And I was not very sure. So I wanted her to give me some direction or guidance, but I thought, let me figure it out along the way. It's not right to keep asking, you know, and life has to be exciting. You can't keep asking. So I left it there, but I think she heard it. And the message that she sent me exactly carried this message for me, saying, I'm going to support you through your journey. I'm going to be there for you. And whenever you wish to connect, I'm here. Don't hesitate to connect, kind of a thing. And then for my parents, I was surprised. The message said, why are you people so worried still? As I was saying, I clarified everything, right, for my parents. Clarified everything, right? So why are you still worried? I'm in a good place. I'm in a very good place and I'm really happy. I'm being looked after. And actually, she's a liberated soul. That she conveyed to me during Nishan's session, that she's a free soul and she's in a much happier place. Etc. So I just took that. Yeah, they just started healing. Obviously, they still may have questions, but according to me, they've kind of healed, you know. They're there. Obviously, people don't heal so fast, but I thought, okay, mom got this dream. She's coming to terms with it is a big deal.
It's happening.
They didn't accept for so many years. So I thought, okay, let me check with my parents. Another interesting thing, ma'am, is when I first heard the message, I thought mom and dad are not going to believe this because it was in Hindi. We never speak Hindi at home. I speak Kannada. And it's Kannada and English, basically. I moved to Bombay, Pune, etc. much later in my life after my sister passed. So I knew that they use the medium's language, but I didn't know how I'll be able to convince my parents that it's her, you know. So then Anita clarified. She asked me after sending the message, Sharmila, did you, is there any Nanu in your family that your sister is close to? I said, Nanu, I don't know any Nanu. No, just think, or is it your Nanaji? I said, we don't call Nanaji Nanaji, we say Ajjaji in Kannada. You know?
Correct.
There is somebody by that name. I kept wrecking my brains, and finally I said, oh my God, Nanu is me, I, in Kannada. And the message also started with I when she spoke. It started with English and then moved to Hindi. So she was trying to talk in Kannada. Obviously, she knew the medium doesn't know the language, but she was trying to give some evidence, is how I understand.
Right.
So my parents believe it, you know. So after I said that, my parents were convinced. Okay, otherwise they would have asked me, why Hindi? She doesn't know Hindi. How come she's speaking? If I tell them medium's language, etc., they don't understand so much. Then when I said she started with Nanu, Nanu, and because Anita could not understand or gather, she moved to another language. It was, they were like, okay.
Wow. Wow. So then what did that do to you, Sharmila, after Anita gave you this message?
I don't know. I strongly started to feel my sister's energies around me also.
Right.
And when she was getting goosebumps there, I was feeling the same way because I just finished my meditation, the Vipassana meditation. That's when she called me. And then what happens after the meditation is you still feel those vibrations and that energy. And sometimes when I'm doing the meditation, ma'am, I go into a trance. I was telling Anita, I've never gone into trance state before. Within 20 minutes of meditation, I go into that state. It happened to me that day, and after that, Anita called. So probably I still don't have that. I'm not able to connect with my sister.
He was in a trance. You were just finished Vipassana. You were also moving in a trance. So there was some kind of resonating energy. Both of you were actually resonating at the same frequency.
Yeah.
And so I think, you know, the connect kind, you started feeling her around also. Wow, fantastic.
Another thing Anita told me, ma'am, about my sister's energy connecting is she said it's not everybody tries to connect like that, you know, literally aggressively. After her saying, I have some message for you. Usually she says the masters who connect and then they let the soul in, etc. But there seems to be no protocol here. She just randomly tries to connect with Anita. Probably she's able to connect with Anita so well, so she led me there, you know. So she keeps getting messages, but Anita being busy, she's not able to pick up all those, but she's trying to connect with. Even yesterday, I think Anita had some experience, which
really,
she's yet to share with me.
Tell me more about the experience.
कल वापस से इनकी लैंग्वेज में कुछ वर्ड आ रहा था जो बड़ा सा लंबा सा वर्ड था, मैं कैच नहीं कर पाई उस वर्ड को, छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में मैंने शर्मिला को भेजा कि कुछ ऐसा बोलना चाह रही है वो, पर मैं उसको मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि उसका मीनिंग मुझे नहीं पता इसलिए, और वो कैसे प्रोनाउंसिएशन उसका रहता है वो मुझे पता नहीं। और फिर कुछ ना लाइन्स आई, मैं वो आपको लाइन्स बताती हूँ, वो लाइन्स भी आई हिंदी में। नए नाम होंगे, नए जिस्म होंगे, नए घर बंधन ख्यालात होंगे, मगर रूहों का मिलन तो यूं ही चलता रहेगा चलता रहेगा। ये लाइंस भी आई उसमें कल।
That's deep. रूहों का मिलन चलता रहेगा। क्या बात है, wonderful.
तो उस समय
poetry,
and she's writing poetry now.
Poetry, and Amita asked me if she had this skill. I said I don't remember. Then I remembered whenever it was English literature, it was my sister who taught me.
Right.
And she used to tell me, Ratta mat maro. You know, so I will teach you, put your imagination and thoughts and write, and that's the only way you progress with literature. So now I'm able to recall. I'm connecting the dots, but I never thought she was poetic as such.
Yeah, but I guess out there she's actually developing her skill further, looks like. Yeah.
Yes.
Fantastic.
And ma'am, the Kannada word that she gave her this time, I have not told Anita the meaning yet, but Anita मैं अभी बता रही हूँ आपको। तो इस बार connect कर रही थी, नन्ना तंगिगलु means my sisters.
Oh, wow.
I didn't tell Anita this, because I told Anita will find out in second word again.
तो but this Anita, ये जो statement, ये जो word है, तो तेरे लिए बिल्कुल नया
था, मुझे अभी पता चला उसका क्या मीनिंग है।
मैंने बताया नहीं था।
नहीं तो वो word तुझे आया कैसे? It came as easily as she's speaking, or it came in like parts.
पार्ट्स में ही आया था, और मैंने फिर शर्मिला को सेंड किया कि ऐसा कुछ वर्ड आ रहा है मुझे, पर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इसका क्या मीनिंग है और ये क्यों आ रहा है, क्या इसका रिलेशन है, कुछ नाम है क्या, वो मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था। तो मैंने शर्मिला को सिर्फ इतना बोला कि ये वर्ड आ रहा है, उसके बाद मुझे कुछ पता नहीं कि क्या आगे मैसेज आने वाला है। तो जो भाषा मुझे पता नहीं, तो उसके बारे में मैं कोई वो सोच भी नहीं सकती कि इसके आगे क्या वर्ड आ रहे हैं, और उसको बताने में भी मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं उसको प्रोनाउंसिएशन उसका कैसे करूं।
So she's able to reach out, and maybe this is the right time for her to reach out, क्योंकि शायद तुम लोगों को जरूरत अभी ज्यादा है।
And I think, ma'am, even I'm open to it now. I don't think I was open to this earlier.
Correct.
So that Nishan's episode really opened different life, I would say.
Dimensions for you, yeah. So
different path and different dimensions.
Correct. So now with Anita, your sister, and you, I mean, team जो है, you all have got connected, right?
Yes.
So Anita, मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि अभी जैसे शर्मिला भी उसकी सिस्टर के साथ कनेक्ट हो रही है, एनर्जी फील हो रही है, तो एज अ चैनलर क्या तुम उस सोल को इंस्ट्रक्शन दे सकती हो कि भाई अब तुम शर्मिला के साथ कनेक्ट हो?
नहीं
So that'll be great.
नहीं
ऐसा ऐसा नहीं हो
ऐसा
सकता।
नहीं हो सकता।
बिकॉज व्हाई नॉट, अगर इतना सारा क्या कहते हैं डायरेक्ट लाइन है, तो तुम डायरेक्ट लाइन से उसको कह सकती हो कि भाई
Ma'am, that's why I was questioning her yesterday, ma'am, that I go
हाँ,
into trance. So
हाँ,
in that state, you think I'll be able to connect with her in the future? She said, why not?
why
Even we
not,
are in
yeah.
a trance state when we connect with them, because obviously to
Correct.
connect with that dimension, you have to be at a different frequency. So probably if I continue this meditation, and probably that's why she wanted me to pick up meditation, so she's able to connect with me directly.
Correct.
So I want to pursue meditation very seriously.
Absolutely. I think what Anita ने शेयर किया हम लोगों के साथ about the trance state, you know, I think you are also moving
Yeah.
towards that space जहाँ तुम ध्यान कर रही हो, trance में जा रही हो, experience कर रही हो, different kind of energies को experience कर रही हो, and I think if you keep your focus on her, I'm sure you'll be able to connect with her too, you know. Wow, this
But
is
ma'am, I
like
feel her throughout the day. Ma'am, I feel her
wow.
throughout the day, and it actually in my Vipassana retreat, because there's
Ah.
nobody else, right? Total silence. And I cut off from everything happening at home. I just
Ah.
detached. I think it happens
Ah.
with everybody there after a day or
True.
two. I could
True.
feel her throughout. I just had one electronic watch for the morning alarm,
Ah.
and every time I picked it up, it was 11:11 or 22:22 or 22:33.
Ah.
There was no other number I saw.
Yeah, she was definitely
And I knew she
connected.
was there, and it was so overwhelming because when I picked up the technique fast, I knew there was something to this, because I can't sit in one place for more than 10 minutes. I kept moving. Even my teacher said, "तुम कितना हिल रहे हो? ऐसा करोगे तो कैसे सीखोगे?" You know, she told me this. But I said, "But ma'am, मुझे तो पूरा vibration आ रहा है ऊपर से नीचे तक." She said, "It's impossible." And she laughed. Then I told her my entire experience with my sister and the channeling and everything. Then she said, "This is something else. I'm sure you picked this up in your past life, and you know, and she's there, she's guiding you. Listen to the signals." And after that day, ma'am, I didn't move an inch during my meditation. No pain, nothing for 7 days. I don't. Again, I'm back to back to square one. I have all the pain now. But during the meditation, rest of the days, I could feel she was around. I was pakka, so sure she was around, supporting me through the whole 10 days.
Wow, I think Anita and Sharmila, तुम दोनों के experiences से बहुत सारे लोगों को पता चल सकता है कि we never die, right? We are there. Physical body may not be there, but those loved ones who have departed, वो हमारे साथ हैं. हम चाहे तो उनसे connect कर सकते हैं. And beautifully, Sharmila, your sisters guided you towards meditation, and you know, you never know when she will connect with you in a beautiful way. And Anita, my dear, तुझे बहुत सारा प्रणाम और बहुत सारा आशीर्वाद कि तू और लोगों को हेल्प करे, और लोगों को गाइड करे, और सबके दुख दूर करे, बिकॉज यही शायद तुम्हारा पर्पस है जिंदगी का.
लाइफ पर
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
ma'am.
much, Sharmila. Thank you, my dear, for coming in and
Sure.
sharing this super experience with everybody. And Anita,
you,
thank
ma'am.
you so much.
Thank you,
pleasure.
Sharmila.
And everybody, keep watching Purnamada for some amazing guests like this who come and they open their hearts to all of us. Thank you so much.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.